Hello everyone, welcome to Mohendra Coaching Center's channel. Today we are going to look at this cue card. Describe a teenager you know. You should say who is he or she, how you know this teenager, what this teenager likes to do, and how you feel about this teenager. Before we begin, we are going to look at some of the words that we will be using in this cue card. First word is agile. Agile means active. Next word is full of beans. It is an idiom which means full of energy and life. Next word is chatterbox. Chatterbox means a talkative person, a person who likes to talk a lot. Next word is attire. Attire means clothes. Next word is pop up. Pop up means to appear suddenly. So without wasting time, let's begin. There are many youngsters I know. Here I would like to talk about the one who is not only a teenager but also a good friend of mine. Her name is Pamit. She is 16 years old and studying in high school. She is tall, intelligent, and agile. I know her since she born, as she is my paternal aunt's daughter. She is my cousin. She is such a chatterbox that in her company no other form of entertainment is needed. She speaks to me on the phone each day for almost an hour. Her stories revolve just around everything what she has won, what she did in her school, a new animation movie that she has seen, and what would she like to receive as present, etc. I find talkative people annoying, but she is an exception because when she talks, I always smile and laugh. She often pops up whenever she wants to clear her doubts in her studies, especially in accountancy and management subjects. We both spend a great time together on weekends. We go for shopping and like to watch movies in cinema. We both enjoy each other's company. She usually wears casual attire. However, she also wears stunning formal outfits whenever there is a formal event or gathering. Even though a teenager is a stressful period of life because of physical and biological changes, yet she always seems to be full of beans and enthusiastic in her activities. I am really impressed by her attitude. Speaking to her not only makes me forget all my worries, but also takes me back into my carefree days. Sometimes I just wonder why we lose our innocence and spark she has when we grow up. Overall, I can say she is my favorite teenager that I know. So that's it for today's session. If you find this video informative, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.